Welcome to our spring roll wrapper machine demonstration. This machine is designed for the continuous production of spring roll wrappers, injera, lumpia wrappers, crepes, and other flatbread products. The wrapper thickness can be adjusted from 0.3 to 1.2 millimeters by changing the batter consistency. We offer 4 machine models with wrapper diameters ranging from 10 centimeters to 60 centimeters. Different heating methods are available, including electric heating, gas heating, electromagnetic heating, and resistance heating. For higher productivity, a double row production design is also available. Now let's see the machine in operation. This section shows the production process of injera using our spring roll wrapper machine. Injera is a traditional flatbread widely consumed in Ethiopia and several African countries, and it requires a very consistent and uniform texture during production. In this process, the prepared batter is first stored in the batter tank, where it is continuously mixed to maintain a stable and uniform consistency. Then, the batter is pumped through a precise feeding system and delivered to the spraying unit. The spraying system ensures that the batter is evenly distributed onto the surface of the heated rotating drum. As the drum rotates, the batter gradually forms into a complete injera sheet with a smooth surface and consistent thickness. During continuous operation, the machine maintains stable performance, ensuring each piece has uniform color, texture, and thickness. Here, the machine is producing 22 centimeter round spring roll wrappers. This configuration uses electric heating. The wrappers are formed with a smooth surface and uniform thickness. The finished wrappers are automatically transferred to the conveyor for collection. This is the double row spring roll wrapper machine. The machine uses electromagnetic heating and produces 2 rows of wrappers simultaneously. Compared with a single row machine, the double row design significantly increases production capacity while maintaining consistent product quality. It is ideal for customers with higher output requirements. Now you are seeing the production of 56 centimeter round spring roll wrappers. The larger diameter makes this model suitable for applications requiring large wrapper sizes. The machine maintains stable operation and consistent thickness, even when producing large format products. This section demonstrates square spring roll wrapper production. After forming, the wrappers are automatically transferred to the folding and counting system. The machine accurately counts and folds the finished products, helping reduce manual labor and improve packaging efficiency. This automatic process is especially suitable for commercial and industrial production. Thank you for watching. For more information, machine specifications, and quotations, please contact us through the details shown on the screen.